What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Gunnar's Garage. And in this episode, we are going to be working on the Camaro behind me here. It's going to be a little bit more of a chill video. We are going to basically be turning this disgusting engine bay into hopefully something a lot more nice to look at. And what I mean by that is there is just a bunch of either rotten, dirty, or just plain old and doesn't need to be there anymore. All of that is going to get removed and cleaned. Let's get into it. All right, is it perfect?
No.
Not even close. There's still a lot of gunk in there, but I don't know. Not gonna necessarily worry about it right now, but definitely looks a million times better. It actually looks pretty cool now. I feel like now it's actually like getting somewhere. There is still some gunk in here. I'll have to like try and find that toothbrush or something and try and get in there, but I mean that's like what we were looking at before. So might let it soak a little bit more just to see, but we are going to move on to removing that, and we'll maybe get to that, but we should be able to get to that today. But yeah, get rid of that bracket, clean that side, and we're in business. All right, so we got the AC compressor off, we got that bracket off, and now I think there might be one more bracket that I could fiddle with, but I don't know if I'm going to fiddle with it or not. But what I am going to do is I'm going to soak it, and then we are going to try and take out the condenser up front here, and then after all that, might mess with that bracket, and then we're going to put some paint on the fan. And so we're getting close. We're getting close to what I wanted to accomplish here. Let me just, yeah, I think that's all I got. So let's keep going. All right, huge update time. So I still have all the rope wiring folded up. I'm gonna figure out a way to reroute it. The biggest part is that, look, there's an engine that was under all of that disgusting dirt and grime and all that. It actually looks really good. Don't mind the oil cap missing. I was doing a little something over there with it. Something to make it pop a little bit more in there. But we got the beginnings of a radiator shroud. This is the radiator bracket. Huge shout out to the father-in-law for hooking it up with a bracket. It looks really slick in here. Didn't get too crazy with the surrounding of it, but I will say, yes, it is absolutely not perfect. There's still gunk in places. When we get it on its first drive, we'll pressure wash everything out in here, make it look nice and good. I did shoot some paint on the fan. It's a really quick and dirty job of the paint right there, but you know, there's still a lot of painting that we can do. We can put paint on that bracket. We can put paint everywhere. So here's the parts pile. There's the AC condenser and the compressor right there. We even took off these. Focus, please. Focus. We even took off these EGR valves. No, these aren't even valves. These are just to funnel the exhaust through the whatever, fill the filtration system or whatever. But we're deleting that, so we're gonna get some. I'm gonna make some plugs for all those, so it's not just exhaust coming out like that. But yeah, I think it's turning out really good. So we still need to do something with this, but that's gonna be. I'm not even gonna worry about putting that in the video. Tucking that, may not even really put that in the video either. You guys get the point. But this was basically the point of today's video, is to showcase that. Boom, you know, elbow grease with some sponges, some paper towels, and some elbow grease. It shined up pretty good. There definitely is some work, but you know, this is its reward for actually running. So super stoked. Alright, well, that'll do it for today's video, guys. If you liked it, please give it a like, and if you have any suggestions on what's next, make sure to drop a comment down below. Really helps me out a bunch. And if you enjoyed the Camaro comment, make sure that you subscribe. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. We're about 600 right now at the time of recording this, about 610. So yeah, we're really close. I need about 400 to get that 1,000. So if you wanted to help me out, that's the best way you can do that, is hitting that subscribe button. So with all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.